Hi, my name is Emily Anderson, and I'm an attorney at RSH Legal. The Workers' Compensation Insurance Company is required by law to pay all reasonable and necessary medical care, but that doesn't mean they always do. There are many reasons why the insurance company may be refusing to pay for your medical care. Here are the big three. First, the insurance company didn't authorize the care. Second, the insurance company doesn't think the care is necessary. And third, the insurance company doesn't believe the care is related to your work injury. Let's start with the first one, the authorization defense. In Iowa, if you are injured on the job, the employer's workers' compensation insurance company must pay for medical care related to your work injury, but they get to pick the doctors. In other words, the care has to be authorized. If you decide to seek medical care that the insurance company doesn't authorize, there can be consequences. For example, the employer or insurance company will likely refuse to pay for any medical treatment if it is not approved. This means you could be left paying for this unauthorized treatment even if it was medically necessary. Second, your weekly temporary benefits could stop. An employer is not supposed to stop your weekly benefits because you refuse medical care. However, if you refuse medical care, a doctor may say that you are good as you are going to get, medically speaking, and place you at what is called maximum medical improvement, or what we call MMI. Once you are placed at MMI, that stops your temporary workers' compensation checks, even if you haven't returned to work yet. Third, if you have private health insurance pay for your medical care, you will likely be paying co-pays and other out-of-pocket expenses that your health insurance company won't cover. And your health insurance will likely want to be paid back out of any workers' compensation settlement that you receive. Work comp may refuse to reimburse your private health insurance because the care was not authorized, leaving you to pay it back. That can dig into any settlement you receive. There may be some valid reasons to seek medical treatment on your own, like if the workers' compensation company has refused to pay for care. You should ask a workers' compensation attorney whether it is appropriate to seek care on your own outside of the workers' compensation system. Let's move on to the next defense insurance companies sometimes use, that the care you are asking for isn't necessary. You may believe that there is an alternate form of medical care that could help you, but the insurance company isn't paying for it. If that's the case, your attorney should get a written opinion from the doctor recommending the alternate care, stating that it is reasonable and will be beneficial. Once that is done, you can petition the workers' compensation agency to force the insurance company to pay for the care that you want. It's called a petition for alternate medical care. Third, the workers' compensation insurance company may decide that the care a doctor is recommending is not related to your work injury, that it was caused by something else, like a pre-existing condition. If the insurance company says your injury is not work-related, don't take their word for it. A doctor may have a different opinion. You may need to hire an independent medical expert to offer an opinion about whether the injury you have and the care you need for that injury was caused by work. If the workers' compensation insurance company is refusing to pay for bills after a work injury, contact one of our workers' compensation attorneys at 1-800-433-0283. We can help you get the compensation you deserve.